We're taking a look today at a vintage Homelite 330 chainsaw. A real nice vintage 330 Homelite with excellent compression, great spark. This saw lights off very easily. The oiler is 100% fully functional. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, enough talk, start that chainsaw and cut some wood. Well, okay, I'm going to start this chainsaw and cut some wood. As you can see, this is a very fine running 330 vintage Homelite in nice shape. We will recommend sharpening the chain, as you can just see from the demonstration that will need to be done. Starts up easily. The oiler is 100% fully functional. A great saw for the farm or camp or for your personal collection. Be sure to click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now for only $199.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. That's right, I didn't stutter. Only $199.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US buys this really nice, good running, unrestored vintage Homelite 330 right now. Subscribe to our channel for many more vintage chainsaws, antique fans, and motorcycles and new old stock parts. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.